Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to clear the service tire mobility kit
warning
that you may see popping up on your Ford console. In my case, it's up in my center console on my screen. And you might ask, what is a tire mobility kit? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Back in the day, cars used to have spare tires, but spare tires are bulky, they take up space, and they add weight, and they're also expensive. So most manufacturers have got rid of them. And what they include now is some sort of sealant and maybe an inflator. That's it. It's pretty simple. We'll show you that in just a second. But you might ask why the service tire mobility kit has popped up now as opposed to yesterday or last month or a year from now. Well, it's simply an expiry date. The system is not checking the tire mobility kit. It's simply saying that it has hit an age in which Ford thinks you should buy a new one. I'm certainly not going to. I doubt you're going to. But if you do want to, just go ahead and do it. However, you're still going to want to reset it. So let's go take a look at the tire mobility kit, where to find it on my 2022 Mach-E, and then we'll show you how to reset it. Very easy. So I'm in my trunk, and there's the tire mobility kit. Let's just take it out, and you can see it has two settings, air pressure or repair. And if you put air pressure on, well, it fills it up with air, no surprise. If you put it on repair, it's going to pump in goo.
Just keep in mind that your Ford might have the kit in a different location, but it's in there somewhere.
Not very exciting. The first thing you have to do is start the car. So I'll put my foot on the brake, press the power button, and I get my alert. You can leave it up if you want. Then go over to, well, in my case, my main console. Click on the vehicle icon, then go down to Vehicle. And in here, you'll see Tire Mobility Kit. Let's just take a look at what it says about it. This sets the reminder for the expiration date of the sealant that is included in the Tire Mobility Kit.
But the pump is going to work forever, so you could just buy yourself a cheap can of tire sealant instead of replacing the whole kit.
And changing it to any of these things will clear the alert on the, in my case, the driver console. But I'm going to set mine to 4 years because I'm about to sell this vehicle, and I don't believe for a second that the extra year is going to have that sealant become unusable. And even if I was keeping the vehicle, I would change it to 4 years. 3 years for me for a can of sealant, it just seems silly. So that's how you solve the Service Tire Mobility Kit alert. If you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or a comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because, you know, on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.